Hey everybody, I am back to do some numbers here. So I was around 144 with 492 watts. We'll try to run this up. See if you can see the wattage as I go up on volume here. That's 144.9. Volume click. We'll go to volume click 20. Track ended. 146.8, about 300 more watts, which equates about right out. I'm gonna go up 2 more volume clicks. I'll go up 3 to 23. We're at 146.8 right now. $151.2 at 1831 watts. I'm gonna clip it now. 151.2 at 1800 watts. Let me reset that. Up one more volume click to 24. This is the NS1 is at 1 ohm. So after this burp, I'll go to the impedance rise. See if I gain any on the meter here. $18.56, 151.4. Let me just go here. So hit the button a couple times. Clear. Impedance rise. Sorry guys. Impedance frequency, AC, whatever. You get it. So rise up to 3 ohm. 151.4. 1800 watts. I don't think I'm going to get much more out of this at 3 ohm. I'll go up one more volume click still. 25. Go back to the SPL, the Dyno power. There we go. What I'm going to do is wire this down to quarter. We'll rise up to, if it's 3 times rise, we'll rise up to about 0.7, and I should get hopefully over 7,000. We'll see. Let's just do this one more time here. One more volume click up. I gained a 1/10 on hypothetically 4 more watts. So I'm going to pause it and I'll be right back. But that's roughly where we're at right now. I was clipping at that, so hopefully we'll alleviate that. I'm not having to roll the volume up as high and distort this bitch as much. So let me shut this off. Pause this. This is what we're working with. These bad boys. My mic's up there. Got both my seats out. So 51.5 right now. We'll see what happens when I drop the impedance. And I was doing low 54s before. With the old subs at a quarter, so we'll see if we can at least match that with these new ones. Brand new fresh recone subs. Right back. Alright guys, I am back. I got a buddy here, Bo. He's got a couple of scars in there with a Scar 35. So for this, I'm just going to try to see what dyno power I get with what output on the mic. Oh, my shit's on fucking tuner for some reason. Give me just a minute here. Don't want the radio. CD. Alright. Should be 46 hertz. Yep. Watts. 137 at 73 watts. 1998, 150.8. That's interesting. I moved my box slightly back, so we'll go up like 2 volume clicks to 22. Look, 3 volume clicks. It should tap me out pretty close to highest. This amp will do here. 154.7 and 4,700 watts. Not bad. Yeah, not bad. So that's clipped. We'll clear it. I'll go up 1 volume click. So I think we're pretty well maxing out here. I haven't changed anything. So 4,500 watts. It's a lot less than I expected. I'm gonna mode it over the impedance. Just see what it does there. Here, these frequency impedance. I didn't gain anything going up, so I'm gonna go down to 22. There. Yep, okay. I'm gonna shut this down. I'm actually gonna open my window and see if it gains any. Look at that. Nice. Gotta go up to my right track here. Hold on, people. So, what was the volume? 22? There we go. Oh, no louder. 54.7.
No duct tape!
Now. Alright, so I'm going to pack this up for me. Call that good. That was 5,169 watts. Not bad. Turn that down. Turn it off. Got what I wanted for information. I'm gonna unhook the meter here, and we'll test some other people. So I'll be back. We're back. Got Eric meter, 51 kick, 49.6 glass.
154, 151 on the floor. That's fucking awesome.
Yes, sir. Bo did a 40.1 at the kick. 45.6 in the trunk. We'll be back.
33 hertz.
Oh, hold on. Hey. Shit.
Something just fucking arced.
Really?
Yeah, something's not totally tight. I think it's gonna be this right here.
Is it the 2 positives?
Yeah, it's the one on this side.
Is it touching the negative?
I think it might be.
Alright, we'll be back. SPL.
143 just fucking with it. I must say 151.7. That's my guess.
We're gonna give it the juice?
Yeah, I'm just changing this shit right here so I don't fuck shit
So what's
up.
the difference in that, like $300 or $400 or so?
Make sure, like you said, the volume isn't as high up. Is that, huh?
Is there a big price difference in the subs?
For the X's and the
What
the NS, I would guess there's a couple $100. It doesn't sound good. You doing that thing again?
Yes. sets at 150 to shut that thing down.
Turn the zip off.
Protecting again.
Yeah.
Okay. 51.9.
Yeah, this too much power going through it. Because the game is fucking maxed the fuck out.
Peace. Right back. See what happens here.
You only move to turn it down.
What?
Yeah, those things keep cutting that out. I don't know if it's wiring or...
See, I don't know what you're doing for voltage and shit.
Yeah, because I'm at... I probably
I'm calling it good
turn
now.
that
See you
down.
guys.